Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your bank statements, a chaotic mess of subscriptions, random charges, and those little PayPal transactions that somehow add up to a small fortune. You're thinking, there's got to be a better way to track this, right? You've heard whispers of Rocket Money, the app that claims to tame your finances, but a nagging question lingers. Does Rocket Money actually work with PayPal? That's the million-dollar question we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, PayPal is practically a financial ecosystem in itself. It's where your online shopping sprees, freelance payments, and those I'll pay you back later moments all collide. And if Rocket Money, the supposed financial superhero, can't wrangle that beast, is it really worth its salt? We're not just going to give you a simple yes or no. We're going to dive deep, explore the nuances, and give you the full scoop. We'll break down how Rocket Money integrates with your accounts, what it can and can't do with PayPal data, and ultimately, whether it's the right tool for you. First, let's understand the core mission of Rocket Money. It's all about simplifying your financial life. Think of it as a personal finance assistant that automates the tedious tasks. It aims to track your spending, categorizing your transactions to show you where your money is going. Cancel unwanted subscriptions, identifying and helping you cancel those recurring charges you've forgotten about. Negotiate bills, attempting to lower your monthly bills for services like internet and cable. Create budgets, helping you set and stick to financial goals. Now, how does it achieve this? By connecting to your financial accounts. This is where the crucial question of PayPal integration comes into play. Rocket Money primarily works by linking to your bank and credit card accounts. When you connect these accounts, it pulls in your transaction history, allowing it to analyze your spending patterns. This is the foundation of its budgeting and subscription management features. So, where does PayPal fit into this picture? PayPal is a payment processor, a middleman between your bank account and the merchants you pay. Technically, it's not a bank account in the traditional sense, but it does hold your funds and facilitate transactions. Here's the key point: Rocket Money can indirectly track your PayPal activity through your linked bank or credit card accounts. If you fund your PayPal purchases using your debit card, those transactions will appear in your bank statement, and Rocket Money will pick them up. Similarly, if you use a credit card linked to your PayPal account, those charges will show up on your credit card statement. However, there's a catch. Rocket Money's ability to analyze your PayPal activity is limited to what's reflected in your bank or credit card statements. It won't directly access your PayPal transaction history. This means it might not be able to categorize individual PayPal transactions with the same granularity as direct bank transactions. For example, it might see a general PayPal charge, but not the specific merchant you paid. Track PayPal balances or pending transactions. It's reliant on clear transactions reflected in your bank or credit card statements. Automatically identify and cancel subscriptions paid through PayPal, especially if they are not directly linked to a credit card or bank account. This limitation is crucial to understand. If you rely heavily on PayPal for subscriptions or freelance payments, you might need to supplement Rocket Money with manual tracking or other tools. Let's delve deeper into the specific scenarios. Scenario 1. PayPal transactions funded by a linked debit card. In this case, Rocket Money will see the PayPal charge on your bank statement. It will categorize it as a general PayPal transaction, but it might not be able to identify the specific vendor. This is useful for overall spending tracking, but less so for detailed analysis. Scenario 2. PayPal transactions funded by a linked credit card. Similar to debit card transactions, Rocket Money will see the PayPal charge on your credit card statement. Again, the categorization might be limited to a general PayPal charge. Scenario 3. PayPal transactions funded by your PayPal balance. If you use funds already in your PayPal balance, these transactions might not appear in your linked bank or credit card statements. This means Rocket Money won't be able to track them automatically. You'll need to manually track these transactions. Scenario 4. Subscriptions paid directly through PayPal. If you have subscriptions that are billed directly to your PayPal account without a linked credit card or bank account, Rocket Money might not be able to identify them. You'll need to manually check your PayPal activity for these subscriptions. So, is Rocket Money useless for PayPal users? Absolutely not. It still provides valuable insights into your overall spending, even if it can't provide granular details for every PayPal transaction. Here are some ways you can maximize Rocket Money's effectiveness with PayPal. Regularly review your PayPal activity. Supplement Rocket Money's analysis with manual checks of your PayPal transaction history. This will help you identify specific merchants and subscriptions. Use consistent funding sources. If possible, try to use a single linked bank or credit card for most of your PayPal transactions. This will make it easier for Rocket Money to track your spending. Utilize Rocket Money's manual transaction feature. If you have PayPal transactions that aren't automatically tracked, you can manually add them to Rocket Money. This will ensure that your spending is accurately reflected in your budget. Consider using PayPal's activity download feature. PayPal allows you to download your transaction history as a CSV file. You can then import this data into a spreadsheet or other financial tracking tool. Ultimately, whether Rocket Money is the right tool for you depends on your specific needs and how you use PayPal. If you primarily use PayPal for occasional purchases and rely on a linked bank or credit card, Rocket Money can provide valuable insights into your overall spending. However, if you heavily use PayPal for subscriptions or freelance payments, you might need to supplement Rocket Money with manual tracking or other tools. The important thing to remember is that Rocket Money is a tool, and like any tool, it has its limitations. Understanding those limitations is key to using it effectively. And while direct, deep integration with PayPal is not a feature, the indirect tracking through connected accounts still provides a valuable financial overview. In conclusion, Rocket Money does work with PayPal, but indirectly. It tracks your PayPal transactions through your linked bank and credit card accounts, but it won't provide the same level of granular detail as direct bank transactions. You'll need to supplement Rocket Money with manual tracking and regular reviews of your PayPal activity to get a complete picture of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.